It's Sid here, and I just want to shoot this quick video basically to speak about selling Easy1Up. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with what Easy1Up is, it essentially is a digital marketing education platform that sells digital education surrounding aspects around marketing online, and then obviously courses that actually give you a lot of value in terms of how you can become a better online marketer. But the best thing about Easy1Up is that you can basically earn as an affiliate through a high ticket commission structure where you can earn anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000. So for those of you who are familiar with Easy1Up, one of the issues that comes up is that trying to promote Easy1Up directly is not always easy. And obviously it becomes an issue where you don't often get people actually joining immediately. And one of the reasons is essentially that people kind of need to be warmed up through some form of funnel that actually introduces them to the concept of how you can actually earn high ticket affiliate earnings or commissions. And one of those platforms obviously is Easy1Up, where you can do that. But what I just want to quickly show you is that if you are struggling to actually sell Easy1Up as an affiliate marketer, you can essentially then go to a platform that's called Profits Passport. Now, Profits Passport, essentially, what it is basically a marketing funnel that allows you to actually have a system in place where, firstly, you've got a video sales webinar, as you see here, where it actually gives information about exactly how the funnel works. And then Easy1Up is actually the very first income stream that people can actually join with. So what will happen there is when someone actually goes through the Profit Passport's funnel, as I'm showing here, essentially they will have their specific affiliate ID for Easy1Up, like you see mine here. And when someone joins through Profit Passports, which is actually a simple free system that is being used, all you have to really do is send traffic to Profits Passports, and then from there you'll be able to actually obviously start getting people to use the system themselves and obviously join with you in Easy1Up, because they're following exactly the same process that actually converts pretty well, where people can actually start joining firstly with income stream number one. Now, why I'm also mentioning this is because the reality is that if Easy1Up is the very first income stream in this marketing funnel, then the chances of people actually going and creating their very first account or affiliate stream as Easy1Up is going to be higher because it's the first one. And it's just human nature that people will tend to obviously look at the very first platform and join on that. And I can tell you that a lot of people have actually generated quite a bit of success using this particular system, which is free to use. And all they're doing really is driving the right type of traffic that actually can obviously help them achieve the kinds of results that a lot of people like you and me would be achieving. So I hope this is something that you would look into and consider, that it can actually help you actually really convert your Easy1Up referrals and commissions from that perspective. And what I can also do is, if you join through my link provided in the description, I will give you two of the very best traffic sources that actually work really well with this funnel. So that also helps you to ensure that you're not just going to any sort of traffic source and sending traffic, because it is very important that you have the right traffic source that is actually helping you generate the right kinds of people that will follow the system, and obviously also convert, where they would go on to actually join you on Easy1Up. So I hope this has really given you a bit of perspective on how you can actually start driving more of your sales for Easy1Up. And as I suggested, all you need to do is go to the link below, where you can join me in Profits Passport and obviously join with me in Easy1Up if you're not already in it. And then you can obviously once you've signed up, let me know when you've signed up, and you can reach to me on Facebook. My details are below in the description, and I'll be able to give you the very traffic sources that you can use straight away and start promoting this, and hopefully help you earn up to at least $2,000 in commissions. Thanks for watching, and I'll connect with you soon.